Good morning, students. Students, this lesson is of class 9th for the subject of mathematics, chapter 17, surface area and volume of three-dimensional shapes. Starting on page number 17.1 of your textbook, and is being submitted to you on 12th January 2021. Students, today we will discuss exercise 17.1. In the previous assignment, we have learnt the concept of three-dimensional shapes, that is, cube and cuboid. Now, let us discuss few questions based on cube and cuboid from exercise 17.1. Now see, question number 1 from exercise 17.1 is the volume of a cuboid is 320 centimeter cube if its length and breadth are 10 centimeter and 8 centimeter respectively. Find its height. So the solution is, given length of cuboid is how much? 10 centimeter and breadth is 8 centimeter. Also, volume of cuboid is 320 centimeter cube. Now students, volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height, which is already given us as 320. Clear? So, height will be volume upon length into breadth, that is 10 into 8, which is 80. So 320 upon 80 is equal to 4 centimeter. Therefore, height of the given cuboid is 4 centimeter. Clear? Now, let us discuss question number 5 from exercise 17.1. The question is, a tank measuring 15 meter long, 10 meter broad and 4 meter deep is full of water. The water is pumped into another tank which is 20 meter long and 15 meter broad. Find the depth of water in the new tank. So the solution is, given dimensions of first tank are 15 meter length, 10 meter breadth and 4 meter height. Clear? Now, let the depth of water in new tank be h, that is the height. Here, height of the second tank is not given to us. Clear? So, volume of first tank is equal to volume of new tank. Clear? Now students, what are the dimensions of first tank? That is 15 into 10 into 4. That is length, breadth and height. And the dimensions of second tank are 20 meter into 15 meter and height is not given to us. So, height will be equal to 15 into 10 into 4 upon 20 into 15. So after cancelling the terms, we will get height as 2 meter. So depth of water in new tank is 2 meter. I hope it is clear to everyone now. Now let us discuss question number 11 from exercise 17.1, that is the volume of a cube is 1331 centimeter cube. Find its total surface area. Now students, we know that volume of cube is side cube, that is side into side into side, which is already given us as 1331. Now we know that 1331 is a cube of 11. So side will be 11 centimeter. Clear? So therefore the side of the cube is 11 centimeter. Now we have to find the total surface area. Now the formula for total surface area is 6 into side square. That is 6 into side into side. So 6 into 11 into 11, that is equal to 726 centimeter square. I hope it is clear to everyone now. Now the next question is the edge of 3 cubes of metal are 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. They are melted and formed into a single cube. Find the edge of the new cube. Now students, we know that volume of cube is side cube. That is side into side into side. Now we have 3 small cubes. So volume of 3 small cubes is equal to volume of a single cube, because all 3 cubes are melted to form a single cube. So volume will be equal. Now volume of first cube will be 3 cube, right? And volume of second cube is 4 cube. Third is 5 cube, that is equal to side cube of a single cube. Clear? So here 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125. After adding this, we will get 216, which is a cube of 6. So therefore, the edge of new cube is 6 centimeter. Clear? Now question number 15 is the square on the diagonal of a cube has an area of 192 centimeter square. Calculate edge of the cube and total surface area. Now students, let us understand this question with the help of the given figure. Here you can see that a cube is drawn. Now AB is the diagonal of the cube and ABCD is the square on the diagonal of a cube. Clear? So now according to the question, the square on the diagonal of a cube has an area 192 centimeter square. Clear? So here 192 centimeter square is basically equal to the square of the diagonal, that is side of a square. Clear? That is side root 3 square. Students, we know that diagonal of a cube is equal to side root 3, or we can say a root 3, which is the side of a cube. Now if diagonal is side root 3, so according to the question, 192 is equal to side root 3 whole square. Now let us solve these two values. So this means this is equal to 192 is equal to side square into 3. Clear? Root 3 square is 3. So that is equal to 192 upon 3 equal to side square. Now what is 192 upon 3? That is equal to 64. And 64 is a square of, yes, 64 is a square of 8. So this implies side of square is how much? 8 centimeter, right? It is cube. Side of cube is 8 centimeter, right? Now what we have to do here is, we have to find the total surface area of cube. Now the formula is side square, that is multiplied by 4. So that is equal to 4 into 8 into 8. That is equal to 256 centimeter square. So therefore, total surface area of cube is 256 centimeter square. Clear? Now let us move to another question, that is question number 23. The area of a playground is 4800 meters square. Find the cost of covering it with gravel 1 centimeter deep if the gravel cost rupees 4 and 80 paisa per cubic meter. So here the solution is, area of playground is 4800 meters square, which is already given to us. So that is equal to, now let us convert meter into centimeter. Now we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Clear? So now it is meter square. So we add double zeros in pair. I hope it is clear to you. Now depth of gravel is 1 centimeter. Volume of gravel on playground will be, you have to multiply the area of playground into its depth. What is the area of playground? That is length into breadth, and depth is its height. So after multiplying this, we can again convert into meter cube. So it will come out to be 48 meter cube. Clear? Students, it is not necessary to convert into centimeter. We can directly solve with 4800 meter square. But in that case, you need to convert 1 centimeter as 1 upon 100 meter. And then we can solve the question in the same manner. Now, rate of gravel is already given, that is 4 rupees and 80 paisa. So we multiply this with 48. So our answer is 230 rupees and 40 paisa. I hope it is clear to everyone now. Now the next question number 24 is a wall of dimensions 25 meter by 0.5 meter by 2 meter is to be built by using bricks of dimensions 20 centimeter by 10 centimeter by 6 centimeter. Find the number of bricks required. Give your answer to the nearest 100. Now students, you can see that the dimensions are not same. So we can convert the meter into centimeter. So 25 meter will become 2500 centimeter and 5 meter will become 0.5 will become 50 centimeter. Similarly, 2 meter is 200 centimeter. Now see, it is very easy now. Number of bricks is equal to volume of wall upon volume of one brick. Now what is volume? Volume is L into B into H. That is length into breadth into height. So here it is 2500 into 50 into 200 centimeter. And similarly, volume of one brick is also length into breadth into height, which is already given to us. So it is 20 into 10 into 6. Now after solving this, our answer is 20,833.33. Now students, as it is asked in the question to convert into nearest 100, so our answer is 20,900 bricks. I hope it is clear to everyone. Thank you everyone.